Hello guys and welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video we are going to talk about assigning resources in Microsoft Project 2013. Now in every project there are some resources which are associated with it. We need to assign these resources to perform a particular task. Now as you can see, assigning resources help in effective and accurate functioning of the project and also distribute the workload. We will have a better understanding of assigning resources in our practical approach.
In this video, we are going to learn about assigning resources in Microsoft Project 2013. In the previous video, I have covered how I can define a resources in this project, right? So let's first understand what are the resources that we are having with us. So in order to see that, I'll go to the task tab, and under the task tab, I will click on this Gantt chart drop down box and I will click on the resource sheet. So if you see, there are different resources that are available with us. We can use these resources to assign them to a particular task. So how I assign them, let's have a look. So I'll again click on the Gantt chart view. I have my Gantt chart view. So I will move to a particular task and I'll assign a resource to it. So let's select business analysis, right? A business analysis. I need a business analyst to it. So what I have to do, I have to select this particular task. I will go under the resource tab, and under this resource tab, I can see something as assign resources. The shortcut key, as you can see on the screen, is Alt F10. So I'll click here. So the moment I click on assign resource, a window will appear right in front of your screen showing you all the resource name. Resource which I will be needing is the business analyst, right? And it is firstly asking me what are the unit which I require. I say I want 1 unit, and if I click here, it is giving me the cost of 1 business analyst. So if you see, the moment I have assigned a resource to a particular task, you can see the changes in my Gantt chart as well. Now if you see on the right hand side of your screen, a resource has been aligned, or a resource has been assigned to business analyst, and which can be seen here. Now what happens if I make the unit, as of now I have selected as 1. Now if I make this as 2, see what happens. I click this as 2. Now if you see, there are 2 business analysts which have been assigned to it, right? So basically from here I can select the number of unit, how many resources that you want to assign to that particular task. So I'll close this as of now. Similarly, we can assign multiple resources to a particular task as well. Let's say we'll go to the development strategies. Right now in this task, I want to assign multiple resources. So how I do that? Again, I will go to the resource column or the resource tab, and I'll click on assign resource. What I need some multiple resource. Basically for a development strategy, I need an engineer, right? So I'll click on engineer. I'll say I need 1 engineer. If I click here, the engineer goes on the top, and I also need a manager along with it. So I'll select on manager. I required 1 unit of a manager, that is 1 manager. Now the manager goes up. So if you see, I have engineer and manager, which I can see on this assign resource window. In similar manner, you can see on the Gantt chart as well the following changes. I have 1 resources which is aligned to development strategies and have manager associated with it. So I guess you guys have understood how I can assign resource in Microsoft Project 2013.